Hello, Tech Tomorrow enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the technologies that are shaping our future. Before we start, make sure to like this video, comment down below, share with someone you know, ring that bell, and smash that subscribe button to stay updated on all things Tech Tomorrow. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, AI. We're going to guide you on how to build your own AI from scratch. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey. Part 1. Understanding AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that involves creating machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks might include speech recognition, decision-making, visual perception, and language translation. AI can be categorized into two main types: narrow AI, which is designed to perform a narrow task, and general AI, which can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. Part 2. Types of AI. There are several types of AI, the most common being narrow AI. This type of AI is used to create images, voice, music, and text from a simple text prompt. Other types include reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-aware AI. Each type has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them depends on the specific requirements of the task at hand. Part 3. Steps to build an AI. 1. Identify the problem you want to solve with AI. This is the first and most crucial step. The problem you choose should be specific and well-defined. 2. Gather and prepare data. AI algorithms learn from data. The more high-quality, relevant data you have, the better your AI will perform. This might involve collecting data from various sources, cleaning the data to remove any errors or inconsistencies, and formatting the data in a way that can be easily used by the AI algorithm. 3. Choose an AI technology. Depending on the problem you're trying to solve, you might choose different AI technologies. This could include machine learning algorithms for tasks that involve making predictions based on data, natural language processing for tasks that involve understanding and generating human language, or computer vision for tasks that involve interpreting and understanding visual data. 4. Build and train the model. This involves writing code and feeding your data into the AI algorithm. The algorithm will then learn from the data, adjusting its internal parameters to improve its performance. 5. Test the model. Once the model is trained, it's important to test it to ensure it's working correctly. This might involve using a separate set of data to evaluate the model's performance and making adjustments as necessary. 6. Deploy the model. After testing, the model can be deployed and start solving the problem it was designed for. This might involve integrating the model into an existing system or building a new system around the model. Part 4. Software and hardware requirements. To build an AI, you'll need some specific software and hardware. This includes a programming language like Python, machine learning libraries like TensorFlow and Keras, and a computer with a good processor and enough memory. If you're planning to train large models, you might also need a graphics card. Part 5. Cost of building an AI. The cost of building an AI can vary widely depending on the complexity of the problem you're trying to solve and the resources you have available. It can start from as low as $900 and go upwards of $300,000. This includes the cost of hardware and software, as well as the time and effort required to gather and prepare data, build and train the model, and deploy the solution. Part 6. Legal considerations. When building an AI, it's important to consider the legal implications. This might include issues related to data privacy, intellectual property rights, and liability for decisions made by the AI. For example, if your AI involves collecting and processing personal data, you'll need to ensure that you're complying with all relevant data protection laws. Similarly, if your AI generates content, you'll need to consider who owns the copyright to that content. Part 7. Running the AI platform. Once the AI is built and deployed, it needs to be maintained and monitored. This involves regularly checking its performance, updating the model as needed, and ensuring that it's providing value to its users. You'll also need to consider the ongoing costs of running the AI, such as the cost of hardware and electricity, and the cost of any cloud services you're using. Now let's wrap up today's session with some key takeaways. 1. AI is a powerful technology that can solve complex problems. 2. Building an AI involves several steps, including identifying the problem, gathering data, choosing an AI technology, building and training the model, testing the model, and deploying the model. 3. The cost of building an AI can vary widely, depending on the complexity of the problem and the resources available. 4. Legal considerations are important when building an AI. 5. Once the AI is deployed, it needs to be maintained and monitored. That's it for today's deep dive into how to build your own AI from scratch. Remember, the future of technology is being written now, and you can be a part of it. Don't forget to like the video, comment on what you learned and why, share the video with friends and family, ring the notification bell, and smash the subscribe button. Make sure to check out our other videos in our playlists for all things Tech Tomorrow. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, this is Tech Tomorrow, signing off.